For decades, whispers of the Aurora program have captivated aviation enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. Could this be the government's most advanced secret project, or simply a myth? The Aurora program allegedly began in the 1980s, shrouded in mystery and speculation. It was a time when the Cold War was at its peak, and the need for advanced reconnaissance was paramount. With claims of a hypersonic spy plane capable of speeds exceeding Mach 6, the Aurora was said to be a marvel of engineering, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible in aviation technology. But what ties it to Majestic 12, the enigmatic group that has long been rumored to handle extraterrestrial technology? Declassified documents hint at a connection, suggesting that the technology used in the Aurora may have origins beyond our world. Could it be that the advancements seen in the Aurora program were not just the result of human ingenuity, but also the reverse engineering of alien technology? The secretive meetings and shadowy figures only add to the intrigue, leaving us to wonder about the true origins of this mysterious aircraft. Some believe the Aurora program was born out of MJ-12's efforts to reverse engineer alien spacecraft. Leaked documents and unusual sightings in the Nevada desert only add fuel to the fire. Reports of triangular UFOs often align with locations like Area 51, long rumored to be a hub for testing experimental aircraft. Could these sightings be the Aurora in action? Despite the lack of official confirmation, aviation experts point to unusual military budgets during the 1980s and 90s, which have raised many eyebrows over the years. These budgets were significantly higher than what was publicly accounted for, leading to much speculation and intrigue among analysts and enthusiasts alike. Labeled only as black projects, these mysterious allocations have fueled numerous theories about secretive advancements in aviation technology. Were these funds used to develop the Aurora? The Aurora, a rumored hypersonic jet, has been the subject of much debate. Some believe it was a top-secret project aimed at achieving unprecedented speeds and capabilities, far beyond what was publicly known at the time. While some argue that the Aurora was simply a concept or cover story, the mystery surrounding it has fueled countless theories and speculations over the years. Many believe that the Aurora project was a top-secret initiative by the US government, aimed at developing a next-generation reconnaissance aircraft that could surpass the capabilities of the SR-71 Blackbird. Its influence on modern aviation cannot be ignored. The advancements in stealth technology and aerodynamics that were rumored to be part of the Aurora project have seemingly found their way into the design and functionality of today's most advanced drones and stealth aircraft. Could its rumored technologies have paved the way for today's cutting-edge drones and stealth systems? The legacy of the Aurora, whether real or imagined, continues to inspire and drive innovation in the field of aerospace engineering, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the skies. Myth, disinformation, or breakthrough reality, the truth about the Aurora program remains shrouded in secrecy. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories that challenge the official narrative.